Hi, I'm Koya Webb, founder of Get Loved Up, and I am going to show you how to make my sea moss superfood smoothie. First, I'm going to show you how to make sea moss. Sea moss is fabulous. It has 92 of the 102 minerals that you need in your body. It's great for building collagen. It's great for your skin, your hair, your nails, everything. So it can look a little intimidating at first. Like, what are you going to do with this? But what you're going to do is take it, because it comes from the sea, so it has all those minerals from the sea. You're going to take it and you're going to rinse it out really good. Rinse it out great, and then you're going to fill it up with water like I've already done for you, and then you're going to let it sit overnight or for 4 to 8 hours on your counter if you are hanging out during the day and you want to do it sooner. But I usually let mine sit overnight, put it in the fridge, and then you rinse it off, which I've already done. And now I've filled it with fresh water, fresh drinking water, and now I'm going to make my gel. So to make the gel, have a blender, and this is my first time trying to use this in my little personal blender, so let's hope it works, because sea moss is very rough, if you will. So I'm going to pour a little bit of that out just because I don't want it to go past my field line. So that's a lot. It's going a little bit past the max line. I think I can get away with that. We'll see what happens. All right, so we're gonna put this in here, and then we're gonna blend it up, and let's hope we get some good gel out of here. Make sure it's on tight. All right, now, while I blend this up, I want you to do the blender boogie. And if you've never done the blender boogie before, it's to the left, to the left, to the right, break it on down, break it on down, break it on down, to the left, to the left, to the right, and spin it on around. All right? You have plenty of time to learn it. So I'm gonna blend, and we're gonna dance. Oh, look at that. It blended very well. This is perfect. I could let it go longer, but I'm looking and I'm like happy with what I'm seeing. So I like mine a little bit liquidy because it will thicken on its own when you put it in the fridge. And this is great because I'll take some of it and I'll put it on my face. I'll take some of it and do like a body mask on myself, and it will keep your skin looking nice and young. So put it on your face instead of a toxic mask. Just put some sea moss gel all over your face and let it sit for 15-20 minutes. And now I'm actually going to show you how to make a smoothie out of it. So this is my sea moss superfood smoothie. All we're going to do is take a little bit of the gel, and we don't need much of it. Just need about 3 ounces of it. So we're going to take that, and then we're going to take about a half a cup of oat milk. You can use oat milk, almond milk, whatever type of milk you like. There we go. So we're going to put half a cup, and let me just tell you all something. I do not like measuring things. I just kind of intuitively, so I'm trying to give you the right measurements, but I just think things taste better when you just kind of feel it out. So I'm giving you approximate measurements here, but I'll list the exact recipe underneath. And then you want to take 1 to 2 bananas. My bananas were frozen, so I actually had to take them out of the freezer to use them in this recipe. So they're not frozen anymore, they're thawed out. So I'm going to put about 2 bananas in there. It's so good. Right? Okay, so I got my sea moss, I got my milk, any plant-based milk, banana, and now I'm going to put cinnamon. Cinnamon is really great to curb your appetite, especially if you feel like you're overeating or you're emotionally eating or something like that. Just put you a little cinnamon. You can put it in your smoothie. You can put it in the sea moss drink. It's so good. I'm just going to put like a little bit, like a 1/4 teaspoon in there. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla. There we go. You know this is going to taste amazing. Now, this is what makes it superfood. I'm going to put my vanilla protein. I'm going to put 2 scoops in here. This 2 scoops gives it so much vitamin A, vitamin K, It's a pea protein that I use to create this, and also has moringa, which helps eliminate free radicals. So in addition to the 92 minerals of the sea moss, you also have moringa, you also have pea protein. So this is a building smoothie. It's going to be so good for you. I have this every single day, sometimes 2, sometimes 3 times a day, and it gives me energy. It helps when I miss a meal or I don't have time to eat. Sometimes it's just shaken in water, but this smoothie, you can at least have this once a day, and it's going to be great. So put 2 scoops of that in there, and then we are good to go. One extra thing you can do is also put a multivitamin, a full spectrum powder. This has even more sea moss in it, burdock root, elderberry, Nepal, all of your superfoods. So if you want to go healthy to the next level, go ahead and put your full spectrum Get Loved Up herbs in there, which of course I want to be all the way healthy. I want my optimal health and vitality. So I'm just going to put a tablespoon of that in there as well. Perfection. And let's see, what else do I want to put in here? If you want to put a sweetener, you can just add dates, or you can add, let's see, have a little monk fruit sweetener. I love this monk fruit sweetener from Lakanto, so I'm just going to add a little squirt of that. So this is probably my favorite sweetener to cook with and to have in my smoothies, monk fruit sweetener. So just a little squirt in there, just a little bit. And then we'll put it on. But if you don't like sweet, if you're not Southern like me, I have a sweet tooth, this banana and the almond milk or oat milk and the cinnamon and the vanilla, all of those are kind of sweet. So you can do good with just that. All right, now we're going to put it back on. Now you know what's coming. That blender boogie. Let's make sure we have it on tight. All right, now I'm just going to let you freestyle. Just dance. Have fun in your kitchen. All right, this looks so good. So I cooked something with coconut oil. My blender is so slippery. And I love this NutriBullet too. I cook everything in it, or mix or blend everything in it, and it's very convenient. Oh my goodness. This smells good. It looks good. Look how creamy that is. So creamy, so delicious, so healthy. And what a perfect pour. I didn't plan that out because I was just going by eye, but this is fabulous. If you want to get fancy, you can throw a little bit of cinnamon on top, but I want to taste it. Oh my goodness. It tastes like banana pudding, for real. Absolutely amazing. Try out this recipe. Let me know how you like it. Try out the sea moss gel. Let me know how it works in your life. Take before and after pictures, especially if you're using it on your face, like at least once a week. You're going to notice a difference. Notice how you feel after drinking this once a day for a week. You're going to feel a lot of energy. You're going to feel amazing, and I cannot wait to hear your testimonials. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Until next time, get loved up. Love yourself, love others, and love the world.